Accountability is the toughest word in the English language. People don't know how to spell it. They don't know what it means. They want it in other people, but they don't want it in themselves. And here's what I find. I'm very fortunate to do what I do, to be able to share a message, literally, with a lot of organizations around the world. And in my travels, I can't find accountability in any language in any country that I've been to yet. We have a company we're working with out of Mexico on a 3-year engagement to help them drive accountability into their culture. They don't have a word in Spanish for accountability. They have a word for responsibility, but not one for accountability. If I'm in the Middle East in Arabic, there is no word. I just came from Amsterdam. There's no word. Yeah, in Asia, no word. What I find is people don't really understand what it is. Let me define it for you. Accountability is keeping your commitments to people. Accountability is not responsibility. They're cousins. They're related, but they're not the same. We are responsible for things, but we are accountable to people. We're responsible for things, but we're accountable to people. Which means if accountability is in play, what has to else be in play? A relationship. Yeah, there's no report that's going to hold you accountable. There's no P&L that's going to hold you accountable. But you're going to hold me accountable, and I'm going to hold you accountable. There's always a relationship. And so that's what we need to start focusing on, is that relationship. And get that fixed, and get that working, and get it really strong. Because that's what's going to make the difference. Now, a lot of times people ask me the question. We don't have time for questions and answers today, so I'm going to ask you the question. What's the difference between an excuse and a reason? A lot of people ask that question. Here it is. An excuse is a reason that we use to deny our personal accountability. An excuse is a reason that we use to deny our personal accountability. See, accountability is not easy. If it was, everyone would do it.